Are you ready to transform your outdoor space into a festive Mardi Gras celebration? From vibrant purple, green, and gold decor to dazzling lights and unique props, this video will guide you through everything you need to create an unforgettable Mardi Gras vibe outdoors. Stick around and let's jazz it up. How can you creatively light up your outdoor space for Mardi Gras? Lighting is essential to set the festive mood for Mardi Gras celebrations. 1. String lights in Mardi Gras colors. Wrap trees, fences, or your porch with purple, green, and gold string lights to create a glowing ambiance. 2. Lanterns and pathway lights. Use LED lanterns or pathway lights to brighten walkways, adding charm and safety. 3. Spotlights and projection lights. Add dramatic effects by projecting Mardi Gras patterns or using colored spotlights on walls or plants. Comment below if you'd like more lighting ideas for your outdoor decor. How can you incorporate DIY elements into Mardi Gras outdoor decorations? DIY projects can add a personal and budget-friendly touch to your Mardi Gras setup. Home-made bead curtains. String together beads to create curtains for doorways or garden arches. 2. Hand-painted signs. Make signs with messages like Laissez le bon temps rouler, let the good times roll, in festive colors. 3. Customized table centerpieces. Create outdoor table decor with masks, candles, and Mardi Gras confetti. Check out the description for more similar videos with creative ideas. How can you incorporate food and drink into your outdoor decorations? Food and drink displays can double as eye-catching decorations. 1. Outdoor food stations. Set up themed tables with Mardi Gras-inspired dishes like king cake, gumbo, or beignets. 2. Decorative drink dispensers. Use dispensers filled with colorful punches or cocktails to tie into the Mardi Gras theme. Themed servingware. Choose plates, cups, and napkins in Mardi Gras colors to complete the festive look. Want to see more ideas? Check out the products as seen in this video. How can you use plants and greenery to enhance the Mardi Gras theme? Your garden and greenery can become integral parts of the celebration with a touch of Mardi Gras magic. 1. Decorate shrubs with beads. Drape strands of beads and ribbons over bushes for a simple yet festive touch. 2. Themed planters. Paint planters in purple, green, and gold, or fill them with flowers in those colors. 3. Add masks to plants. Attach small masks to branches or pots for a whimsical and mysterious vibe. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative outdoor decoration tips. What are some creative outdoor decor items to showcase Mardi Gras traditions? Bring Mardi Gras traditions to life with unique outdoor decorations. 1. Oversized beads and garlands. Hang these on fences, around trees, or across your porch for a festive flair. 2. Life-size figures or cutouts. Include themed statues or cutouts like jesters, musicians, or dancers to make a bold statement. 3. Mardi Gras wreaths. Craft or purchase a colorful wreath to hang on your front door, featuring masks, beads, and ribbons. Check out the playlist in the description for more ideas like these. What are some tips for creating a family-friendly Mardi Gras setup? Make Mardi Gras fun for all ages with these family-friendly ideas. 1. Outdoor games. Set up carnival-style games like ring toss or bead throwing for kids and adults to enjoy. 2. Photo booth area. Create a selfie station with fun props like masks, feather bows, and hats. 3. Interactive decor. Use sound-activated or light-up props to add an interactive element to your setup. Explore the products featured in this video by checking the links in the description. What are the essential colors and themes for Mardi Gras decorations? The magic of Mardi Gras starts with its iconic colors and themes that symbolize the festive spirit. 1. Purple, green, and gold. These are the traditional colors of Mardi Gras. Purple represents justice, green symbolizes faith, and gold stands for power. Use these colors as your foundation for a cohesive and vibrant look. 2. Masks and feathers. Incorporate decorative masks and feathers into your outdoor decor to channel the mystery and flair of Mardi Gras traditions. 3. Fleur-de-lis patterns. This classic French symbol ties into the heritage of Mardi Gras and makes an elegant addition to banners, flags, and props. Like this video if you're inspired to add these vibrant colors to your decorations. Mardi Gras is all about celebration, color, and creativity. By incorporating these ideas into your outdoor decor, you'll create a festive atmosphere that captures the magic of the season. Now, it's your turn to bring the party to life. Let the good times roll.